This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Hanover County. More specifically, I am off the Cold Harbor Road corridor. Today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. This home is a Handywoman special, and it is coming in just under 2,400 square feet. So we've got a lot of good usable space there. When I saw that it was a 3-bedroom, I knew that automatically meant that we had a lot of space that was being allocated to common space and not bedroom space. I have been in this type of home many times before, and I know the first floor, the ground level, often is very interesting as far as the configuration. Wasn't quite ready for what I saw here in this home, but I want you guys to take a look at it and let me know what you think about the configuration. I tried to figure out in my mind if it would be marketable to some buyers, but haven't really made up in my mind what I really think as far as it being functional for the average buyer. This home is going to be a great candidate for the 203K program. If you remember from previous videos, the 203K is a FHA loan product. It combines the purchase price and the renovation together into one convenient loan. With that program, you have the ability to call the shots on exactly what you want to have done. This one would require the full-blown version of that loan program as opposed to the watered-down streamlined version that goes up to about $35,000. This one would definitely require more to get this house done right. One of the benefits of that full-blown 203K product is you have a consultant that actually works with you in putting together the paperwork, making sure that you're not missing anything, and working with you to make sure that you're getting the best bang for your buck as far as working with your contractor. Anytime we have major money involved in a transaction in life, I don't care if it's real estate or anything else, you always want to make sure you have a subject matter expert that's working for you on your behalf. And that's one of the things that is built in with that loan program. I'm very cautious when my buyers buy and go into a program like that. Number one, it's got to be the right kind of buyer. Everyone is not really cut out to handle a project like this. Number two is when I see my clients in public in the donut shop or at Brewer's Cafe in Southside, they typically will come up to me and give me a big 5 or 7 second hug, a bear hug, not one of those fake church hugs where they just kind of make your collarbones touch. They give me a real hug. And the reason being is that they typically have realized that they are so happy as homeowners, or they just got a big fat tax refund back and it was much bigger than when they were renters. So they're typically very pleased. I like that. I like when that happens because I know that they are indeed happy with the transaction. If it's a male client, typically they'll give me a handshake and half a second man hug. That's all that's required in that instance. Okay, this room that we are in, this is typically, in this type of home, this is typically the kitchen. And clearly it's not the kitchen. They have repurposed this as a big bedroom. We've got 2 closets here. So they have made this into bedroom space here on this top level. We have a door here and a door off of the hallway, which is right there, into this full bath. We've got a double vanity there. I would just come in and completely redo all of this as far as bathroom space. Our throne there in the corner. And then you guys know exactly what the policy is in that regard. So we have a hall bath, and then we've got 2 other bedrooms here on this level. Now, they did an interesting thing here in this bedroom that we're going in right now. They actually took a wall out, and we can tell, number one, that's where our wall used to be, going all the way across. And number 2, we can see that that is where our door used to be. If you can see the imperfections there in that sheetrock job, we used to have a door right there. The wall switch is another telltale sign. We also have the controller here for our electric baseboard heat. We have a second closet that's right there. And if you remember from previous videos, electric baseboard is probably one of the most expensive ways to heat a home other than turning on the oven and leaving the door open. So I would definitely want to come in and put in ductwork with a heat pump to go ahead and handle the heating and cooling of this home efficiently. Our other bedroom is right here, and this is definitely a smaller bedroom. We do have a double closet there. Actually, all of these bedrooms have really, really good closet space. That's a big benefit. The other telltale sign is we can see right there where our baseboard stops. That's where our door used to be. So a number of little telltale signs that they went ahead and they took a wall out. Here to the right is a coat closet. And you're probably wondering, okay, where's our kitchen? Well, our kitchen is actually downstairs. And I'm not sure why they did this. This was quite a bit of work, by the way. When they did this renovation, it's not an easy task just to move a kitchen from upstairs downstairs. They had to take care of plumbing, electrical, cabinetry, the whole nine in order to put our kitchen down here on the first floor. The one challenge is that's the only daylight you have coming into this space. So normally in a kitchen you would have a window over your sink. Obviously you don't have that. You still have some daylight, but it's a very unusual configuration that they did here. They actually even put in a dishwasher. This is a fake wood floor. It's actually linoleum and slats, and they put it right on top of concrete. So all of this flooring would definitely need to be replaced. We've got family room space here with a walkout to the screened back slab. Space right here for a wood stove. Really good space down here on this ground level. Just not sure how somebody would want to configure it in regards to that kitchen. We do have a 3/4 bath here. Shower is not really necessary down here on the first level because you don't have a bedroom down here. But if you wanted to open this up and make it a little bit bigger bath, obviously that would have possibilities as well. Okay, I think that's going to do it for this. That renovation loan, there are a few lenders in town that actually do the full-blown program. And it's important, especially important in a niche program like that, to have a loan officer that is very, very good at what they do, because there's a lot more moving parts with that type of loan than there is with a traditional loan. So you want to make sure you've got somebody that's very, very experienced. I can put you in touch with somebody that probably has more experience in this area than anybody else. In fact, when we have training at our board of realtors, that is who they call upon to do our training. So he's very, very well versed in the renovation loan program. That would be my advice to you. If you have any questions about this or any other home in the market, or you or someone you know has real estate needs, it would be my honor to help. Please be sure to share my information with them. I can be reached on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Thanks so much for taking a tour. Be sure to please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos coming up. Thank you so much. Have a great day.